Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is KuCoin and how you can sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So KuCoin is one of the top 3 crypto exchanges with over 10 million registered users worldwide. Start to trade 600 plus coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, new crypto, and even meme coins here. They provide professional, secure, user-friendly services with the lowest fee. And after you downloaded the app from the Play Store, then you can see that you have to agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can see that you can already see the homepage of the app, but if you want to create an account, you have to click on that profile icon at the top left corner. Then click on the login, and now you can see at the top of the screen the sign up, and you have to enter your email and then you have to create a password, and then you can create your account. Now I'm going to click on the create account. Now here you have to slide to complete the puzzle. You have to enter the code that you received on your email address. I've just typed in that verification code, and now I have to enable the Touch ID. You can activate it now, or you can do it later, and then you are all set. You have just created your account following these steps, and now you can trade with crypto. And in the next videos I'm going to show you all the settings and features of the app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.